Hello, love bugs. Welcome back to my channel. This is Cheeseburger. Welcome to all the new people. Thank you for being here, and the ones that have supported me thus far, thank you. So today we are going to be doing a homemade burger, okay? So right now we just have the ground chuck in here, and I'm going to add a couple of different seasonings in here. So let's do a little seasoning salt. Okay. This is lemon pepper. Okay, this is going to be garlic powder. Ooh, okay. Season how you would like. Pepper flakes. Onion powder. Okay. We're going to do a little black pepper, 1 egg, don't knock it till you try it, and we're going to have 1 wet piece of bread, okay? Let's mix all of that up and we'll come back. Okay, I went ahead and put them in the skillet. Let them start cooking. I have about 3 more, but I'm gonna let them slow cook. So we'll flip one this time and we'll be back. Okay, so I'm gonna cut these potatoes. I'm gonna peel them first and slice them up, and we're making homemade fries, and I'm gonna drop these in a deep fryer close to the time that my burgers are getting ready. Okay, you can see I have peeled them. I did wash them before I got ready to peel them because, you know, I like to clean everything. But now we'll just go ahead and get our knife and we'll slice them up. Okay. And I do like to press it a little bit. I know somebody's gonna say it's taking all the juice out, but trust me, it'll be okay. It's slow cooking on both sides. Okay, these have been cleaned, and we're going to get ready to season them because my grease is ready for them. So I'm just going to put a little seasoning salt over them. And you don't have to do this. This is just optional. And I'm going to put a little pepper, okay? And then I'm going to take a little cornmeal and pour over them. Mix them up and drop them in the grease, okay? Okay, so at this point, what do y'all think? You think these burgers are ready? And just like that, love bugs, we are done. I did add some cheese, and here are the fries that just got done. I have onions and other things added on. Do what you would like. But that is it. Thank you for visiting my channel. Bye-bye.